Evening. Hello, hello, good evening. Happy Monday. How are you doing, guys, today? We are going to talk about the difference between cash flow and profit. A lot of people feel like when they have money in the bank, they are profitable. If they don't have money in the bank, they feel they do not have a profit. They're not making money, even though they might be very profitable, but they just not having their money in the bank. That means kind of poor cash flow management. If you are new here, my name is Noura Masri. I'm tax and accounting professional. I help business owner increase their cash flow using tax strategies. I also help nonprofit organization increase their funding using my impact method. Today, we're talking about cash flow, and whatever I'm talking about today, it can also apply for nonprofits in terms of cash flow and being profitable because there are different between businesses and nonprofit, but it's not that much in terms of accounting these terms. So let's get started. So what is the difference between profit and cash flow? Profits is actually the money remains with you, not necessarily in the bank after you pay all the expenses. So for example, if you made a sale with $1,000 and you had expenses including all, rent, um, um, employees, everything, after you deducted all the expenses that included in that sale, now you have, for example, let's say $500. So you covered all the expenses, included taxes, including everything, and now you have $500. That means you have $500 profit. Now, someone would go and say, "Okay, I don't have these $500 in the bank. How would you say I'm profitable?" Well, you are, because if you do the accounting, you will become profitable. Now, where did the $500 go? I don't know. I don't know. You're gonna have to figure it out. So, cash flow, on the other hand, is the movement of your cash from the bank and into whatever, like how many bank accounts do you have, from and to, like the transactions in and out. So that's the money movement. How much do you have in the bank in a specific period of time? That is what cash flow is. Now, you can actually be profitable with low cash flow, and vice versa. Um, you can have a lot of cash flow, but you're not profitable. Your profit might be less. I'll give you an example for each situation. So, how would you be profitable but no cash flow? For example, let's go to our example of making a sale with $1,000. So, you made that sale with $1,000, covered all the expenses with the $500. You have $500 left, but the sale, you did not get the cash. You actually had a payment term for probably 30 days, let's say. So you did not get your cash, but you made the sale and you made the profits. It's on your books. It's going to show on your books, but you are not profitable yet. I mean, you are profitable, but you don't have the cash on your bank. So you do not have cash flow. So this is an example of you are profitable, but no cash flow. The other way around, when you have cash flow, but you are not profitable, or you have less profits, is, for example, you have a loan, you actually received a loan from uh, whatever, like anywhere, like a loan from a bank, credit line, you got a cash in your bank. So now you have the cash, but you might not have the profit. Actually, whatever profit you have, you're actually reducing the profit. How are you reducing the profit? Because when you have the cash in the bank, of course you're gonna pay it back, right? It is um, it is there as cash, so you have liquid in the bank, but you have to pay it back. And because you borrow it, now you have to pay interest on it. So it's increasing the expenses, which is lowering your profitability. So this is an example on where you have cash flow but less profits. Now, is this bad? Not necessarily. Because if you're been in business, cash flow is actually the problem. You could have like 50%, 70% actually cash flow or uh, profit margin, but you won't have cash flow sometimes. And that all goes to how you manage your cash. And yeah, we all make mistakes. We all actually have a problem sometimes, like managing cash. Sometimes it's not our problem, it's just like how we manage our business activity. Sometimes giving terms that you might not have to do these terms for clients. Maybe you would encourage your clients to pay in advance. There are like um, several strategies that you can increase your cash flow. Maybe you're doing business wrong. If you are getting paid um, within 30 days, maybe you want to negotiate a payment term with your vendors 60 days, so you have cash flow coming up. So it doesn't usually have to be like because you're spending so much money. It might just you are not managing the processes in your organization or company the right way, based on how you do business and how your vendors and clients you're doing business with them. So that require cash flow management, paying attention to each details in order to always flow the cash into your business, so you never have a problem with the cash flow, with maintaining a good profitability, which is acceptable. Sometimes you want to have loans, you want to have credit lines. It's okay, and you must have it in business. You want to be ready for the worst case scenario. That is just a business expense if you have to pay interest. As long as you are in control and you manage it the right way, you should be fine. And in my opinion, you want to have credits before you need it, because you never know what happens. Economy change, something happened with the client, couldn't pay you on time, a lot of other things could happen. So it's just that balance between like how to manage the money when you get the money, um, and a lot of components. What can help you with cash flow also? Tax strategies. If you know what tax strategies are available to you, that will improve your cash flow big time, because it's going to allow you to keep most of your money within your business and in your life legally, without having to commit a tax evasion, which can take you to jail. You want to do that legally. So how do you do that? You do it with good tax strategies. And if you're wondering how to do that, well, I can't do that. I am actually offering free masterclass for how to increase your cash flow using tax strategies. Is going to be on June 20. And if you're watching this video later, you can actually check the link. We're going to use the same link if we have it again. See if there's anything available at the time you're watching this video. But for you guys who are watching me now, it's going to be June 20 at 7 p.m. Central. Again, it's June 20 at 7 p.m. Central. And you have the link on the screen now if you are watching on all social and all platform. If you guys on Instagram, you can see the link on the bio. If you do not see it on the link tree, you can message me, send me a DM, and I'll be happy to send you the link. All right, guys. It's also on the description. If you guys on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, you will see it on the description as well and on the screen right now. So I can't wait to see you. Feel free to register for this master class. It's going to be again on June 20 at 7 p.m. Just get to that link and you'll be able to register. You should receive an email. The email will actually have the link. If you did not receive an email, make sure you check your junk mail to make sure you receive that email, because you will be receiving the Zoom link. It's going to be on Zoom, so you can attend wherever you are. The Zoom link will receive it like 15 minutes prior to our start. So we will start at 7 p.m. Central, and you will receive your the Zoom link 15 minutes prior to that. So make sure you attend. I can't wait to see you. If you need assistant and like you want to work with me or maybe explore the opportunity to work with me, feel free to book a call with me at nourasbooks.com/contact. Again, nourasbooks.com/contact. Again, if you are on Instagram, feel free to DM me. I'll be happy to share the link with you. And I can't wait to talk to you. Have any question, please post them below in any platform you are watching from, and I'll be happy to get back to you. I can't wait to see you guys next time and see you on the masterclass on June 20. All right, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.